Hey, what it is, what's good, y'all? Happy Saturday to you. I'm doing a quick little cook, man. I'm just doing some ribs. Doing it on my char griller Gravity 980. And I'm riding with the good charcoal company, you dig? That's the official charcoal company of BKC Cooks. Can you dig it? You can dig it, and we gonna dig it. So again, y'all, I'm just doing a quick little slab. Now, I wasn't planning on doing more, but they kind of got away from me and had a late lunch. So I'm not gonna cook up a whole lot, but got this beautiful barky rack of ribs here. A couple little nuggets that I trimmed off that I'm not letting go to waste. That's gonna be my little snack. And I'm getting ready to sauce these up, man. I'm rolling with the Jank. If y'all don't know about the Jank, man, let me tell you something. This is a fine sauce. It's right here out of Texas. It's really good people. And this sauce, I'm telling you, you need to try it, man. Get online, get on their website. If you're in Texas, you can get it from H-E-B. They have plenty of Jank sauce for you, all types of varieties. But if you're not in Texas, order yourself a set of this here Jank sauce. It's the real deal, and it's all I'm buying these days because it's really damn good. So, again, happy Saturday. I hope y'all cooking something. I hope you got something on that smoker, something on that grill. Let's get to it. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Grill something, man.